how to push Twitch notifications. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can push Twitch notifications. Alright, so how do you go about it? The first step is for you to log in into your Twitch account. Once you're logged in, move to the bottom left corner, click on your profile icon, and then on the profile page, locate account settings, which is the last option on this page. Once you're on your account settings page, the next step is for you to locate notifications, right? So click on that. So on this page, you can see the first option which says enable smart notifications. Mine is turned off, but in order for you to push notifications, in order for you to select it, move to the right side of the enable smart notifications, click on the toggle, and then once it comes on, it means that notifications have been enabled for this. Now you can also select the kind of notifications by selecting on mobile. All right, by selecting on mobile, you'll be taken to the page where you would see all of your mobile settings, notifications, as well as the push notifications, as you can see on the screen. So you can go ahead to scroll down. When you see the option send me push notifications, ensure yours is turned on. If not, your push notification would not be enabled. If it's gray this way, it shows that push notifications have been turned on. But if you click on it and it's purple this way, it shows that your Twitch notifications, your push notifications on Twitch have been enabled. So this is how to push notifications on Twitch. So I'm sure you've learned and this has answered your question. So ensure you subscribe, leave a like, and recommend this video to your friends and family. Thank you for watching and have a good day.